So I thought I'd give you a little bit of a show. This is when the tide's coming in. Comes in twice a day. So we're November 25th, I think, today, and it's about 4:45. So this is when the waves are really loud. Water comes right up. Happens twice a day. Usually in the evening around this time. Been sort of a overcast day. Still warm, but overcast, not sunny. It's been the most of the days since I've got here. I got here November 6th, so just over 2 weeks now, and a lot of it's been overcast. There have been some sunny periods, but still haven't gotten out of what they call the rainy season. Although the rain hasn't been too bad. Usually it'll rain in the evenings for a little bit, but that's about it. But if you want to get out during the day, it's pretty easy to do. A couple of times I wanted to go golfing and it looked like it was going to rain, so I bailed, but that was today. I was going to go this afternoon, but it really looked like it was going to rain. See, the waves are really coming in. Never seems like there's more than 4 or 5 people on this beach at any one point in time. During the weekend there's more people, but really it's pretty quiet. You can walk for miles, get your exercise in, which is fantastic because in Canada it's cold and I probably wouldn't be walking. So it's nice to get the steps in while I can. Whoa, that was a big one. This is kind of a cool house. It's got this big archway that walks around, all glass. Never seen anybody there though. Just must be a cottage for somebody or a summer home, I'm not sure. Most of the places are quiet. And a place up here that when I was down in May they were working on. Looks like there's been some progress, but not as near as far along as I thought it would be. So I've still got tons and tons of work to make it habitable, but seems like it's coming along slowly but surely. Waves are rolling in right here. You wouldn't want to get caught in that. Water getting dragged back out. This place is pretty spectacular. Newer place. Nice of artwork all over it. Right on the ocean. Pretty cool spot. And then they got this taller one, which I guess is rentals. I'd have to get out onto the road to see what these places actually are. So you can't really access them from the beach. You have to get out onto the main road to have a look. But it's pretty cool. Usually as far as I go, it's been, 20-minute walk or so. These big buildings down at the end of the beach. Wraps around, but you get caught over there and the tide comes in, you can't get back. So this is as good as any a place to stop and head back the other way. Look at the size of these monsters. Not even sure what they are, whether they're personal homes or rentals. Just huge buildings. Must be an infinity pool there. Pretty cool. I'm gonna have to do some investigating over the next few weeks and figure out what these places are, and I'll let you know. So this is Coronado Beach. There's the building that I'm staying at. Coronado Bay. As you can see, the rain out in the distance there. And the sound of the waves rolling in. Good place for a walk. See if we can get our feet wet here without getting pulled into the ocean. See me floating around over there somewhere. Water's really warm. Whoa! That was a big one. Hits you pretty hard when it hits. Looks like it's starting to clear up a little bit. Might actually get a beautiful sunset tonight. Maybe I'll try to do a time lapse on the sunset. That would be pretty cool. Especially now that I see that it's clearing up. We'll get back and figure that out. I'll grab the Insta360 and set up a time lapse and go get a good, beautiful sunset. This is where some of the big waves come in. The loud ones. Turning around. Come up here. Yeah, the tide is coming in now. It's rolling. I'm way up there on the 19th floor, and it's loud at the 19th floor, so I can't even imagine what it's like to be in these ones. You'd have to wear earplugs at night to sleep, I think. Yeah, they're rolling in good now. You can see where the drain comes right back into that funnel. You don't want to be caught in anything like that. And all mixed up in there. Uh, 10 after 5 now. Hopefully you can hear the thunder as it's coming in these waves. It's pretty loud. Oh, we're getting close to this spillway. I don't know if you remember when I crossed it half an hour ago. The water wasn't coming in like it is now. Big change in 20 minutes or so. You can see it just comes flowing in and out of here. Hopefully I don't get swept out to sea. Oh good, I might make it without getting too wet. Closing in on Coronado Bay. That's my unit up there somewhere, 19th floor. There's 23, so 22, 21, 19th floor up in there somewhere. Yeah, the sun is brighter than it's been all day right now, so hopefully I can get a good sunset. There's some people swimming in the surf there, having fun. And here is Coronado Bay. Time to get up to the rooftop. Time to wash the black sand off of the feet and legs. You want to get that all the way up into your unit.